In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Walmart online, complete with step-by-step guidance to ensure you submit a strong and successful application. Whether you're eyeing a part-time opportunity or aiming for a full-time career, following these steps will streamline your experience and optimize your chances. First, let's begin by creating your profile on the Walmart Careers website. You'll want to navigate to their main page, where you'll find the option to either register a new profile or log in if you already have one. If you're just starting, go ahead and click on the registration option. This is a crucial step, as your profile will serve as your digital identity during the application process, housing your personal information and application history. Once your profile is set up, it's time to search for jobs. Use the search bar to zero in on positions that match your interests, skills, and geographic preferences. You can refine your search by entering keywords, locations, or specific job types. Take your time to browse through the available listings and identify those that truly interest you. This way, you ensure you're applying for roles that are the right fit for you. With a job in sight, let's move on to filling out the application. Click on the Apply button for the chosen position, and you'll be prompted to complete several required sections. Here, accuracy is key. Ensure all information is current and correct, from your work history and education to contact details. Providing comprehensive details will better represent your qualifications and help in standing out from the crowd. Next, it's time to upload your resume and cover letter. A well-tailored resume can make a significant difference, so align it closely with the job description you're targeting. Upload this document and, if applicable, include a cover letter that highlights your passion and suitability for the role. This additional layer of communication can convey your enthusiasm and personal touch directly to the hiring team. Some positions might require you to proceed with assessment tests. These online assessments gauge if your skills and personality align with the company's expectations. Approach these tests honestly and try your best, as they are designed to assess your fit for the position. Finally, let's talk about tracking your application. Once submitted, you can check the status of your application through the career portal. It's common for the review process to take anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks or even longer, depending on the volume of applications received, so patience is essential. And that's a wrap on applying for Walmart online. By following these steps, you're well on your way to taking the next exciting step in your career journey. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your application.